Everyone, so I want to show y'all the finished products from last night. Alright, so I'm going to get my spoon. This is the rice pudding. Right here. So now that it's set overnight, yes, it did exactly what I wanted to do. So oh, that's so good. Nice and sweet and everything. And then here's the ice cream. So that's what that looks like. Alright. I'm going to show y'all. So if you know, if I need to thaw a little bit. So we got some ice cream. Like I said, I didn't sit there and strain it, so that's why it looks the way it does. They smell like frozen. It's not bad. I definitely taste the peanut butter. So that's a plus. It's just that I don't like chewing cold food like ice or something with my teeth. But that does taste really good. I definitely taste the peanut butter. So that turned out really good. I'll probably have some of that tonight for dessert. And I've been working on this, the avocado pudding. So I had to add some more milk to it. So that's how that looks. Oh yeah, this is good. I just need to stir it up. See, there we go. So let's taste test this. Still need something else. Maybe it's the pinch of salt. I did put a pinch of salt. You know, maybe the pinch of salt, another pinch of salt, or I said honey, but I might add some sugar to it because I really don't use sugar a whole lot all the time. So I probably could add some sugar to it, and then be better. But this is really good. I like it fluffy like this. So there you go. I will link down the video, the live from last night and everything of what I did, how I made it and everything. We had a lot of fun. And yeah, 3 different desserts. I think we did in an hour too and everything. So we had a lot of fun. Thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you later.